Hello, hello, hello. How you guys doing? I hope well. I hope better. Shout out to all my subscribers, honey. But I tell you, y'all been knocking it out the park. Y'all been knocking it out the park, honey. Oh my goodness. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to all my will-be subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. I know it's been a while, guys. That new moon was something else. Things had to be revealed. Things had to be seen. It's a lot of stuff that happened, you know. I'm gonna try to get through this real quick, but before I go any further, you know what I like to do, boo. You know what I like to do. We got, ta-da, yes, us2stylistproducts.com. 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 They're here for your hair and skincare product needs. Any company or individual can order. They deliver fast. When I tell you fast, freaky fast, like 2 days fast, okay? I believe I got another order coming in as we speak. All right. Oh my goodness. Did I even give y'all the time? I don't even think I gave y'all the date. Hold on. Get through this. Okay, like I said, they deliver fast to your doorstep. They got perfume, cologne, lotion, conditioner, shampoos, and treatments available. They got body butters and oils. They got cosmetics, gloves, masks, alcohol, and disinfectants. They have salon aprons and equipment. When I tell you this is a stylist and a barber's best kept secret, www.us2stylistproducts.com. us2stylistproducts.com. us2stylistproducts.com. They deliver anywhere in the world and in the nebula, honey. I'm telling you, the next 3 nebulas, you better get on it, honey. All right, that old the variants, honey, the things that's going on. You want to be safe? You can order from the comfort of your own home, honey, so you can stay safe and order for any birthday, wedding, graduation, or holiday gifts. They will deliver. us2stylistproducts.com. 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 Go and check them out, honey. Yes. Oh, and without further ado, it is December 7th, 2021. Right now, a Tuesday, 1:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry about that. It was just so much going on. Like, as soon as I set my behind down, guys, right? This trash man decided to bring his behind down the street. I'm gonna close the window because it's gonna be loud as shit. Trust me when I tell you, okay? Because we got to come back the opposite way. And that may be something else whoever I'm finna read for as well, okay? The trash man can go one way, and the trash man got to come back the opposite way to get the trash on the other side of the street, okay? Just remember that. The trash man cometh, and the trash man taketh away. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. But let's get into this read. Who is this? Because y'all cracking me up already. Sagittarius. You are up. You are up. You are up. What is going on? Hold on. Got me parched. Let's see what's going on with your love romance, honey. All right. Let's see. For Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, honey. We got trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Somebody ran out of faith. What was that about? Sagittarius. Situation is calling for you to have faith. And I was just about to say, I'm noticing a child here. and it's got children, your love life is being affected by children. It's the children. Multiple kids. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Possibly a baby's father. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Free yourself, keep an open mind, and flirt. It's time to take back control of your life. Your soul may differ from your usual type and expectations. Extend your lightheartedness energy to others. Attraction. I'm seeing some stuff. I'm seeing some stuff here. I'm seeing reconciliation. But just as that happening, something else happens. Okay, is what I'm also seeing. Okay. I don't know. Worth waiting for. Maybe somebody was locked up. Maybe they wasn't. I'm not sure. Maybe they was going away in the military. Maybe they was going away for travel. Maybe they, like I said, it's a number of reasons on what may have happened. Maybe due to the lockdown, they was locked over to another country. I don't know. But I'm seeing two people here. Okay, and Spirit is telling you to free your mind, and the rest will follow. Yes. Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow. Oh my God. Yes, Sag. Yes, free your mind, and the rest will follow. Be colorblind. Don't be so shallow. Okay, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. Let's continue. Oh, trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Okay. Heart with a key, welcoming love, meeting the one, open your heart, getting together, perfect. Clock, need time, takes time, in time cycles, time to heal, time to progress. Palm tree, stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, flexibility. Twin flame, yes, the passion. I'm definitely seeing that. I'm seeing you possibly having children already. Maybe this person does, maybe this person doesn't. But something about your kids seems to be an issue. Give me a second. And I'm seeing Spirit saying that if that was an issue, this person wouldn't be dealing with you. So don't push that energy onto someone that ain't really tripping on that somehow. Yeah, something about an ex. Now the ex want to come back. Definitely the ex want to come back. Okay? Just as you're trusting to move forward, and even possibly for your kids to have a stable home, to have a stable, way of living. Yeah, healing the heart from, past incidents. It's someone who almost walked away with all your stuff, okay? Spirit saying trust in your intuition. Okay. Start with coffee. Start with coffee. Okay. Just around the time that you opening yourself to this person, your ex is definitely going to see that. They're going to see that. Look, they go to twin flames. And why they going to see that? Because you ain't chasing them no more. In some way, form, or fashion, you ain't worried about what they doing no more. Okay? It used to be things that used to trigger you, ain't triggering you no more. Okay? Things they used to say ain't working you like that no more. Yeah, some type of addiction, some type of obsession or way of thinking has been broken. Okay? Yes, it has been broken. Somebody's definitely got your attention. And your ex has definitely seen that their attention is gone somewhere. Okay? The amount of attention that your ex used to get ain't getting it no more. All right? Definitely. Maybe a baby father, maybe not. Okay? Maybe someone that you possibly knew since you was since a child. Maybe. Let's see. What's going on with the children? We got the sword and rose, clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, and power, keys on a ring. Many options, decision, unconventional, string along, one night stand. If you used to hit up your baby father for a booty call or whatnot, or he used to be able to call you for some stuff or whatnot, he ain't able to call you like that no more. Okay? I don't know. Keys on a ring. You told this person like the keys is just for emergency only, and before they come over, they need to call. Photograph. Look at your photos. Missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. And like I said, there you have it. Engagement ring. Okay, he want to put keys on a ring. This guy wants to put an engagement ring. How about that? How about that, honey? This one want to do a booty call. Okay, honey. This one ain't even trying to go nowhere. Sadness, missing you, thinking about you, yearning, unsure of future, honey. This person is, I didn't see that. Whoa. Well, how about that? How about that? Well, looky. Look at. Transcending obstacles, learning, expansion, new phase, preparing for union, honey. On some other shit, okay? You might have changed the lock on your house because this person wasn't understanding to call before they come over, okay? Oh, this person definitely feels the separation, honey. Look at his rose. Yeah. Engagement ring. I can't make this up. Girl talk, the butterfly, the golden mirror. Yeah, this person gonna try to come back with some BS and reconcile, honey. It's the person that you're falling for right now, okay? And if you're not falling for someone else, I'm telling you to wait. Okay? Don't be throwing your marbles back into that old bag, honey, because something else is coming along. Trust me. And this ain't a soul, this ain't a string along, this is a soulmate. Exactly. You're gonna have a soulmate and a snake. And I'm thinking we already know who the snake is. And I'm telling you, if a soulmate haven't came, it will be. Okay, soul connection, partnership, agreement, soul contract. We got the snake who will have you in competition. An enemy, clever, malicious, look over your shoulder. The other woman, okay, will have other women involved. All right. I'm telling you, this soulmate is worth waiting for if you're not involved with one. Sag, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. I'm trying to tell you. Hold out, honey. I'm just trying to tell you. I like you, yeah. Seduction, yeah. That's right around that same time. And Spirit is saying to go with the healthy choice. All right? Don't go back to the runner. All right? Don't go back to the runner. You want to make a healthier choice. You want somebody that will be chasing you, honey. All right? You're going to have a nice hand that's going to be dealt to you, Sag. All right? Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus. All right? And you're going to have to break down old ways, old thinking, old habits, old people. Okay? You have to tell people when people be calling you like that, not today. All right? Because you got a twin flame on the way, honey. And I'm telling you, your ex knows this. You got to tell them not today. You healing from this. You is healing from this. I don't have to make this up. Look. Over this. Yeah, you trust me. Worth waiting for, Spirit. For Sag, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. We got a hand of cards. I'm telling you. If you don't think you got a hand right now, you better wait. You got a hand, so honey. Yes, they're gonna clock. I'll keep trying to tell you. And the snake knows it. And the snake knows it, honey. So hold out, honey. Trust me, the past always gonna be wondering what you doing. All right, you ain't chasing behind them. You ain't calling them. The snake gonna show its ugly head once again. The butterfly relationship evolving, honey, to the next phase. Healing the inner child and growth. They're gonna try to have you nostalgic, but always trying to pull you. Your past always going to try to have your attention on the past, looking backwards versus forward, okay? Girl talk, time with friends, moving on, happily single, living in the moment, having fun, okay? Coffee cup, meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted in friendship. I'm feeling like this new person that's worth waiting for is going to be like a girl, not a girl, but you're going to be able to talk to them. You're going to be able to share things with them, and they are not going to like shy away or act like they don't hear you. Just they're going to be able to engage in you versus the way things used to be. Like you really felt like, you barely had time to say hi, hello, and what you wanted with the last person you was with versus this person here. Really want to sit down. Yeah, you had a lot in your past going on, and still do. Because like I said, you gonna have to let go. If you think Spirit is going to bring forth your twin flame, bring forth a person that's that you're supposed to be moving on with in life while you're still dealing with your past. Spirit is not going to do that. Why would he bless that? I'm just saying. Yeah. Outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. No. You can't be thinking about how the last person was and what you was doing with this person. I'm telling you, the person that you got coming in, You will have to free yourself from your past. Yes, they even got abundance, honey. I'm getting old stupid king of king of pentacles. Wedding rings. Kisses. Okay, maybe the person that you were with, y'all really didn't kiss like that. Or just the way how things just went about. Let's try this again. It's a lot. Yeah, addictions came out. Abundance, addictions. Whatever this is, it's a difference of paradigms. It's a difference of how you looking at things and how you want things to be perceived. We're in the new moon phase right now. So whatever you focusing on is what you're going to get. All right? If you're stuck on the past, you're going to get past stuff. If you're focusing on your abundance, you're going to get abundance. All right? If you focusing on wedding rings, then wedding rings is going to come. Paradise is going to come. But if you focusing on the past, okay, you see how this person is, unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, falling in love, but this person is looking to the left. This person is looking to the past. And eventually, it's going to lead to addictions, okay? Thinking about the past, all right? When we're supposed to be moving forward. I got engagement. I got wedding rings. Could the past have changed? Maybe. But I seen two different things, okay? I seen a snake. I seen somebody that was promising you a key on a ring, okay? Somebody that was pump faking you with just getting a key to their door, to their house, let alone their heart. And here's someone who's promising their heart, wanting to marry you. So, I mean, you have your reasons. Everybody have their reasons. But I just want you to keep an open mind because your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations, okay? You have to free yourself to love and be loved, okay? You got this big old heart that you carrying around, Sag, for somebody that is careless with it, okay? Look, sword and rose. That's right there, sword card. Clarity, truth, revelation. Look, stabbed in the back, more swords. That's like the 10 of swords. And they're going to wear the rings. Look. Love fall. Fast, honey, look. Going the opposite way. Sudden change, shocking news, surprise, epiphany, upheaval, transformation, healthy choices. Free yourself from whatever isn't serving you anymore, Sag. I can't say it anymore. Okay? Because this past energy is real messy. Okay? You gave your all. That big ass heart, you gave your all, honey. And Spirit is telling you to make healthier choices, make a better hand, and tear down anything that isn't serving you any longer or serving the life you're choosing to live. I'm seeing you wanting to ride on the boat, okay, with the love of your life. And they treated you like you wasn't enough. Look at this energy. Like, are you kidding me? This is who you trusted your heart with. Can you see that? Not cool. Not cool. Not cool. So, we not trying to go back into past energy like that. Who can't, what's the word I'm looking for? Add up your value properly, okay? Because somebody is coming in and they see the value in you. All right, let's go. Let's go. Look, they go to trash. They go to trash, man. Okay, coming in right on time. Like I said, I felt like, look, as soon as you get rid of your trash, honey, your soulmate will appear. I'm going to say less, Spirit. with the key to your heart. It's showing out now. Now you're just showing out. Oh, let's continue. Let's continue. I'll tell you. As soon as you let this person go, honey. As soon as you take the trash out, honey. Things will magically appear in your life that's supposed to be there. All right. Trust me, you don't want that type of energy around when your future is around. You get what I'm saying? Take the energy how it resonates. You or the cross watcher, Sag. But I think you know who I'm talking to. Mm-hmm. Imprisonment. Worth waiting for. Message in the reverse. Distant horizon. I honestly could stop right there. Exactly. I could stop right there, Sag. Sag, look, high honors, great fortune, honey. I'm seeing the staircases of love here, honey. You see how these staircases wind? A twin flame, a twin journey, finally meeting in your Queen of Diamonds status, okay? I'm seeing some money coming your way, Sag. 25, 26, 22. All right, like I said, this is for twin flame right here, but I'm seeing high honor and great fortune. You might be up for a promotion. Wow, I'm seeing you definitely came out of despair, okay, into a courtship. Possibly had to go to court. I'm saying you possibly had to go to court about something. Distant horizon, sudden wealth. I'm seeing somebody in jail possibly writing you. But something about you breaking free from that or breaking free from a situation. Let me get the book of books out. Let me get this out for imprisonment spirit for Sag. Sun, moon, rising on Venus. And death in the reverse. Five of Wands. Four of Pentacles. The Three of Rods in reverse. The Five of Pentacles. My cards are upright, if you was wondering. The cards are upright. Eight of Wands, Five of Cups. Somebody regretting leaving you. Three of Rods. Oh. I'm seeing somebody plotted on you. I'm seeing somebody plotted on you. They plotted to abandon you. They plotted possibly on your death. And it backfired. I'm seeing also that this person could have possibly helped you out of a situation and tried to help you into one. 3, 5, 8. And you're going to be hearing about this soon. And it's going to break your heart. It's going to break your heart. It really, really is. You might have already heard about this situation, or you will. And it's going to cause a judgment and a tower. I don't see it yet, but I'm feeling it. The sun, the four swords, the lovers. Yep. Yep. Everybody that could try to cause something for you, end up getting something caused for them. Take the energy how it resonates, Sag. What's this death in the reverse about, Spirit? The Knight of Rods. The Nine of Swords. The Tower. I knew it. The Devil in the reverse. The Empress. No, honey. The Fool. I was just going to say that. No, honey. No. You can't set up the Empress, honey. You can, honey. That's asking for certain death. I'm just going to be honest with you. All right? Take the energy how it resonates, Sag. Whether that was you're the Empress or you're in your Empress spirit, but honey, or vice versa. Yeah. 7 of Wands, 3 of Cups. Yeah, I'm seeing somebody, Queen of Pentacles, possibly paid a third party to do something with someone. Yeah. And cause this to be justice. To sleep with this person or to fake them out like they was going to be with them or something. I don't know. It's real insidious, whatever this energy is. But it didn't work. Spirit stepped in. Yeah, Spirit stepped in and broke that up. Spirit stepped right on in. Yeah. Oh, Sag. Oh, honey. If you don't know about this, you will learn about this. Somebody tried to get you locked up about something. Or you try to lock somebody up about something. Take the energy how it resonates, honey. But while somebody locked up, they're going to be hearing about something. They're going to be writing about something. Like I said, I see you still moving on to distant horizons, greener pastures, honey, sudden wealth. What's this message about, Spirit, for Sag? 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, they're going to be hearing that you're doing better, that you're doing things with your life. Page of Pentacles, Page of Swords. I'm seeing something about kids. I'm seeing something about kids. 2 of Swords, 2 of Wands, Queen of Cups, 4 of Rods. I'm seeing something about kids. I'm seeing something about child support. I'm seeing something about a lover asking for money. A Hermit. Possibly a Virgo. The Chariot. Yeah, the Chariot is Cancer. We got a Page of Sword and a Knight of Sword. Out with a Queen of Rods. And the Hangman. Somebody definitely got a recant something that was said or had somebody locked up or was about to have somebody locked up. Somebody tried to switch something around paperwork wise. I'm getting some type of overindulgence. Queen of Swords, the Moon, the King of Pentacles. I'm saying possibly someone doing dark magic as well, Sag. Take the energy how it resonates. Got the King of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. Yeah. But I'm telling you, Spirit stepped in with this. And it wasn't having it. Was not having it. Shielded you from this. You just now learning about something. And I'm just wondering, had you found out when it happened, how would life have been now? You might not be looking towards this Four of Rods and this Ten of Cups and this Queen of Cups energy right now. That's the truth. That's the truth. Spirit is telling you to walk away from a situation that is definitely haven't and isn't and hasn't served you for quite some time. Honey, I'm saying you talking to the bailiff or a banker. I don't know who this is. Oh my God, just the horizon. Somebody that was willing to take you out on the boat, honey. That boat ride that you was looking forward to, Sag. Oh my God, honey. If you keep an open mind, honey. I'm saying you keeping an open mind. Yes. Somebody gonna blow you away. Five of Swords. Yeah. There's gonna be a lot of things you might have said that talk yourself right out of a true happiness. Queen of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Wow, the Wheel of Fortune. Spirit saying that you had to work for everything you got, honey. Even during this betrayal. Even when people didn't want to help you. Even when they were setting you up for a double fall. Spirit had you. Even when they lied straight to your face, honey. They couldn't yield your faith, honey. Spirit was there. Five of Cups, Four of Cups, the Emperor, honey. Even when they shooed you and like they didn't have, and you had to do what you had to do. You had to do what you had to do, honey. Yeah, I'm saying you calling a judgment on the situation and you moving forward. Like, I'm saying that whoever the new person is, you're not going to even have to ask. Okay? It's almost like you got a man or a woman. I take the energy how it resonates. A Queen of Pentacles with sudden wealth. You got a Three of Wands. Waiting for your ships to sell in. A Five of Pentacles. The Hermit. Oh, I'm telling you, this why this person gonna figure out there's something going on, that you with somebody. Maybe you was sending somebody some money. That's the truth. That's the truth. You was sending somebody some money. Some equal give and take. The Empress. Seven of Cups. The Eight of Cups, honey. Yeah. I can't make this up. Spirit said you wouldn't be wrong. How many times have you been in this situation right here? And it's hard out here. It really is. It is really hard out here. And you've been fighting some stuff. You've been fighting some words. But in the end, what has this relationship or marriage brought you? What has this whatever situationship entanglement have brought you versus what someone is trying to offer you now. And it's like, it's really messing with you because you really invested a lot of time. So I see these 8 cups here. That's a lot of cups. I mean, you invested a lot of yourself. You gave your all into a certain situation and yielded nothing like what you're receiving right now. In another totally different approach. All right, take the energy how it resonates. We got the King of Cups here. We got the Death card. We got the Nine of Wands. I'm saying you no longer putting up a fight with somebody who's not trying to love you anymore. Yeah. High Priestess. Temperance. 4 of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Somebody gonna feel like you wasn't holding him down or holding her down because the money isn't there anymore, or they not living the life that they used to live anymore. You know, maybe y'all wasn't able to go on shopping sprees like you used to anymore. The World, 5 of Swords, 7 of Swords. And it's going to cost them to do things to prove to you and do things for you, or vice versa. That's going to end you up in jail. Trying to impress someone who's not impressible. I mean, I'm just seeing what I'm seeing here. 9 of Swords, the Queen of Rods, the Knight of Pentacles. Like, someone who would love you wouldn't put you in this type of energy. Wealthy man. And I'm going to give you your messages and let you be on your way, Sag. Okay? Yeah, 9 of Swords still came out. The Magician. Exactly. That's all this person is going to do is mess up your chances with someone who can actually be there for you. If someone was also murdered, my condolences, Sag. The Empress in the reverse. 3 of Cups in the reverse. The Tower, the Fool. And the Empress in the reverse. For the wealthy man. I'm seeing something coming to light. Has somebody been playing around? And like I said, I'm seeing somebody possibly getting a divorce from a third party. Yeah. Yeah. I'm seeing somebody's relationship over. Definitely. Okay? For whatever reason. This wealthy man may not be so wealthy for a while. Let me see what's going on here. What's happening? Page of Swords. Four of Cups. Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords. Mm-mm-mm. I'm seeing somebody getting out of a situation. Okay, it don't necessarily have to be a male. I'm seeing a female as well. Mm. What's this Page of Swords about, Spirit? This lucky man. Two of Cups. This wealthy man probably possibly been watching you. I was going to say this. I was like, this is a little spooky, but hey, if you like it, I love it. The Strength card. I was just saying, this person been watching you for a while. Mm. This is Capricorn here, energy. Ace of Cups, the Sun, the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, okay? Yeah, the Queen of Cups up here before. Whatever burdens that you've been carrying around, you're not going to be able to have to carry around with this person. The type of energy that you have to put in with this other person, you're not going to have to put in with this other person. Okay? But whatever games that was played prior to, you're not going to have to do that with this person. This is a very mature male or female. Take the energy how it resonates, Sag. You're going to be able to take your time with this person. You're not going to have to feel rushed before the cops come and get you type energy. I don't know where that came from. Like somebody just off to run the streets or go run and do something else. They can't sit home. Yeah. And you're mentally confused. Yeah. Judgment in the reverse. Seven of Cups. I'm hoping so. You opening your mind to some new possibilities, honey. Yes, this Tower and this Temperance, this Ten of Swords, honey. I'm really seeing you avoid the heartache and break. That you finally allowed something to come about. You definitely allowed something to come about and end. This is the Tree of Life here. You got the Kabbalah here. Okay, in which you allowing an ending. Somebody lied straight to your face. And it really caused, you really worked on yourself and had to leave. An Eight of Pentacles, an Eight of Cups, the world. It really took a lot out of you to build yourself back. The Nine of Rods, okay? The Devil, the Six of Swords. This was some heartbreaking stuff here. I'm not seeing that with this next person. I'm not seeing that with this next person, Sag. The Sun in the reverse. The Three of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. The Tower. The Six of Swords. Yeah, the King of Cups. I feel like I said, it had to go down this way. Otherwise, you wouldn't have moved on. Something had to come to light. And it had to come to light in a very nasty way. Otherwise, you wouldn't have left from this third-party energy or this situation and into a Ten of Pentacles and a King of Cups. The Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Swords, the Five of Swords. I can't make this up, honey. I can't make this up. Take the energy how it resonates, all right? Well, however this ending happened, it had to happen that way. Otherwise, you wouldn't have walked away, Sag. All right? That is my message for you. Let me get you Oracle ending. For this new love that is coming in, honey. Yeah, change of course. Okay, for sad spirit, okay. Forge, don't follow. Pave a new path. Be the leader you wish you had, okay? You're not for everyone. Bam. Embrace your weirdness. Face your true north. You're worth the wait. It's not yet time. Things are being woven. Okay. Enjoy the healings. Enjoy the healings. All right. The seeds of Minataka. Seeing potential. Bringing unconsciousness to light. Okay. We got the courageous peony, the multifaceted, unique nature. Let yourself be seen. Okay, last one. The great severing, Mars energy, anger, conflict, softening to love. And at the bottom, well and orca elders, but I get well and orca leaders. Sharing your song, frequency of sound, diving deep. Okay, you're going to have to go deep into what you know is true for yourself and what's going to be best for you, okay? If it was a us situation, you would know it's an us situation. I'm seeing you to pave your own way, to forge, don't follow, to have courage, and think about the possibilities of now. If you have a limited mindset, then you have a limited life. Does that make sense? So you need to have a limitless mindset right now, okay? Also know that you're not for everyone, Sag, all right? You're worth the wait, all right? The great severing. You want to cut off a lot of people, a lot of exes from your past to move on, to have this brand new beginning. To swim with the big fishes, so to speak, is what I'm saying here, okay? I'm saying you about to swim with the big fishes, all right? You about to go out to the next nubula around this thing, okay? You about to see things a lot differently around this thing, okay? Your mind is made up on some things, all right? And Spirit is telling you to move with courage, okay? They've been waiting for you to make this decision, this great severing, so you can move on with where you're supposed to be at with life. All right, Sag? That is all that I have for you. Please like, subscribe, and share to this content. Not only does it help the channel, but it also helps those who might be seeking this information. All right? So till next time, Sag. All right, I'm seeing it for you, boo. All right, the moment, the snakes will be there. But you've already seen these snakes. They've already been identified. So we ain't even got to go there. All right? Till next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and you better stay tuned.